How do companies manage to design around a patent? And what can inventors do to protect their ideas from being bypassed this way? Awesome question. Really good up front. I mean, this is really hard to do. And that's what patent attorneys are trained to do, is prevent the ability, once you get a patent, for your competitors to easily design around. In other words, you want to have a patent that's broad enough so that the rights, the written claims, to design around it, the product would be less beneficial, right? Less efficient and not desirable. And so if you can achieve that, you've won. You found a way to carve your niche in the market, and you're going to get that competitive advantage you're looking for. Right up front, you can save yourself a ton of money by investing in a patentability search. You can get the best sneak peek possible by working with an attorney that has the resources to not just patents, but non-patent literature, like documentation, published literature. All this can give you insight into how unique is my invention. If I get a patent on these rights, how could a competitor just as smart as me, maybe a little smarter, figure out a way around your invention to do and achieve the same result? And so it's a really great thought process, and it's what attorneys think through when they're drafting claim language. And so why we want to have the words, every word matters, because it's how it's defined. It's how you might be able to achieve that additional coverage you're looking for. One more thing to mention here on patents is there's an ability to, once you create your fence with the claims, broaden the fence, grow the fence by filing what's called continuation in part, additional continuation. So you've got your first invention, you can have an additional embodiment, a different version of that invention that comes up as the patent's going through. You keep on inventing, and you have a new version, a new application, where you can file an additional patent and develop a patent family around that one invention. And so we do encourage a lot of inventors to grow a portfolio, not just come away with one single patent claim for your invention, but have a bunch of them, a bunch of child patents that can really do just that, prevent others from designing around. Now, if you come up with any, design around type philosophies on the trademark side, is there something similar? It's hard.
It's hard. It's really hard on the trademark side to get around likelihood of confusion if it's cited against you.
Yeah. I guess the stronger that your brand gets, the more well-known you become,
right?
As you head toward becoming famous. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, your trademark rights, they ebb and flow, right? As you expand in both territory and renown or goodwill, right? Your trademark rights expand too.